Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable edge lighting notifications on Samsung Galaxy F06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type edge lighting style and wait for the results to appear. This will display options related to notification effects and edge lighting settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find edge lighting style and tap on it. Once inside, tap again to access the customization options. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you can choose from different edge lighting effects and styles. Customize the look based on your preference, then tap Done to save the changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.